In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneDrive files on Windows. We're here to guide you through the entire process in just a few easy steps. Whether you've accidentally deleted a file or need to recover a previous version, this tutorial will get you back on track. To begin, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. You can do this by going to the Microsoft account page. Make sure you've got your login details handy. Once you're in, find and click on the app launcher, which is located in the upper left corner of your screen. This little icon looks like a grid of small squares. It gives you access to all the Microsoft apps conveniently. From the app launcher, select OneDrive. It's your personal cloud storage where your files are stored safely and can be accessed from anywhere. Next, you'll want to navigate to the recycle bin inside OneDrive. This is where all your deleted files make a temporary home, so you have a choice to restore them before they're permanently gone. When you open the recycle bin, scroll through and select the file you wish to restore. Be sure to double-check and confirm that you've chosen the right file, as this is the one that will be brought back into your main folder. After selecting the file, simply click on the Restore button. That's it. Your file is now back where it belongs, safe and sound. But what if you want to restore more than just one file? Maybe a whole batch, or even revert your entire OneDrive to a previous state. You can do that too. Start by clicking on the gear icon for settings. In the drop-down menu, select Options and then Restore your OneDrive. This is particularly useful if you need to undo a big error. At this point, you'll be presented with a few options. You can select a preset date from the drop-down menu, or if you need a specific point in time, choose a custom date and time. This gives you the flexibility to backtrack exactly to when things were just right. Once you've made your selection, click Restore. Please note, any files or folders that were created after your selected date will now be moved to the recycle bin, so they're still not lost, just reorganized. And there you have it, a restored OneDrive, just the way you need it. This entire process is surprisingly straightforward and can save you a lot of stress. I hope this guide has helped demystify the process of restoring files in OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and happy file restoring.